Example of a vehicle moving along the routing. How to organize it on a new alignment. Select the label for editing. Editing the style. Control and rotate the mouse wheel to increase the size for convenience. Entering the first symbol. Copying the necessary symbols from the wiki page. Any symbol can be used. Copying the full block symbol. Insert 9 symbols, TBM rotor. Use symbols to stimulate the necessary vehicle. Now we insert spaces. You can add letters and numbers. You can change the color of the symbol. Saving the changes. Changing the attachment point to the section line, in the middle and to the bottom center. Moving the resulting model. For example, let's build an airplane model for moving along taxiways. I have prepared the layout of the aircraft B737 in advance. For an airplane, it's better to change the attachment to the middle center. Moving the plane.